Hello friends, we are here to draw some super cute little doggies. Get ready for Halloween. Today we are going to draw a little Westie that is dressed up like Harry Potter. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to start over on this side today. So we're going to go ahead. Our Westie has, nice and short kind of spiky hair. So let's do a few of those little lines that just go up and tousle to the sides. They also have triangular ears, so go ahead and draw two little triangles going up. We're just going to draw a few little loose lines going down, and then let's go ahead and add in our nose kind of right in the middle here, not too big. And then Westies kind of have like more of a beard or mustache, longer fur on their snout. So I'm just going to draw some some short lines that go in a rainbow shape. And then we're going to kind of just connect it down. And this is going to be the little beard. Okay, so that's the kind of main gist of our Westie. Now, because it's Harry Potter, we got to go ahead and add the glasses. We can overlap it a little bit, making it look like it's kind of resting behind some of the fur. Two circles, and let's connect. We're gonna do the eyes inside. And then of course we have to do the scar. So I'm not really sure how we do this as a costume. Maybe it would be like attached. But let's go ahead and just attach a scar. It's a little hard to see there, to the glasses. Okay. All right, now let's go ahead and make a little sweater, or not a sweater, I'm sorry, a scarf for Gryffindor. We can draw two lines that go down together, and this would just be block color of gold and red. And then we're gonna make it look like our doggie's kind of sitting to the side. So this would probably be the black robes that our dog wears. We'll do a curve here for the feet. And we're gonna make it look like the robe is kind of behind. And we'll draw two lines that go down for the paws. We could probably just go ahead and color all this in black for the robe. Much neater than I'm doing, please. All right, and of course we can't forget the wand, so I'm gonna go ahead and just draw kind of a loose wand here in the paw of our cute little doggy, and just draw a few little, almost like a spell. Alrighty, our Harry Potter puppo is all finished. All right, I hope you had fun. We'll see you next time.